I'm Chelsi, and I'm a University of Redlands Master of Education student. Right now, I work in student life and engagement at a community college where I design and execute over 100 events a year for our students. Every day, I'm working with the learners of today who will be the leaders of tomorrow. What drew me to pursue my MAD here at Redlands is that I wanted to connect with faculty and colleagues in person to ensure that what I was learning in the classroom could be tangibly applied to ensure that I am serving students well. The drive to campus became part of my rhythm. Lots of audiobooks on the road to class and lots of late nights on the freeway after work. It was the program's balanced approach and intentionality that allowed me to thrive in this academic journey while still maintaining my full-time career. What's been really meaningful is that many of the counselors I work with also got their degrees from the University of Redlands. I felt like I had this rich legacy of strong women colleagues who were encouraging me, inspiring me, and cheering me on throughout the program. They understood exactly what I was going through. One of the most rewarding parts of my experiences has been working alongside Dr. Young Ai, our school counseling program coordinator. This summer, I hosted University of Redlands counseling and psychotherapy students who were visiting from China. I had the opportunity to show them how mental health support works on an American community college campus. Being a part of this international exchange showed me that here at Redlands, relationships with faculty extend far beyond the classroom and truly all over the world. This program has given me the skills and theories that have completely reshaped my perspective and widened my lens on how I approach student success. Now I'm working with students more intentionally with their well-being truly in mind. I'm not just creating events and hoping they work, but designing with purpose and intention. I'm discovering that every student needs someone who can be a change maker for them. Through what I'm learning at Redlands, I'm becoming that person, not just because I'm someone who wants to help, but someone who truly understands how to make the change that they need and deserve. When I go back to work, I'm applying this knowledge in real time. My Redlands education is helping me meet my students where they are, while also helping me grow to meet their ever-evolving needs. Choosing to come back to school as a working professional isn't easy, but doing it here in a place that feels like home with faculty who truly care about your growth, that's made all the difference.